Live. We're doing the second annual Fried Chicken and Beer Nights Thursdays at the Post One. It's mine to buy. You got the chicken, son.
Show them the breast, son. Is it boneless? Alright.
Yo, go ahead, cut that. You said, is it boneless?
I do it. B-I-G. Finally famous getting money. Good music, look. What up, bro, man? My nigga Tone say he so west side, it's a damn shame. Yeah, me too. Look, D-Town, west side. Yeah, I said it, west side. But they yelling big so much that you would thought it's best style. You are now fucking with the newest nigga best style. Go on, roll that weed, nigga. Why? Cause I'm stressed out. LV checked out, bad bitch, chest out. No wonder why Mrs. Right just keeps on getting left out. Oh well, that's everything, I'm not concerning. I'm on the top floor getting brains, higher learning, getting higher earnings, and my desire's yearning, running through that paper like my attorney. 100 blunts roll, you can smell the fire burning. I'm in the fast lane, you can smell my tires burning.
Basically,
Can you hold it up while you explain it?
It is the new juice. It's energy malt liquor all in one.
Energy malt
Live it to love it, love it to live it.
So basically cracking.
Exactly.
It does contain alcohol.
Lemonade is the best though.
No, but lemonade, dude, come on.
How you know about Four Loko?
Yo,
I feel like we need to
I used to
bump
mess
that
with this,
teammate song now.
but as of last night or 2 nights ago, I'm starting to mess with
The
it.
first endorser of Kellen's Chicken. I'm trying to make him quit rapping and start making chicken for a living. He'll get fucked up.
Why you so elegantly have your fried chicken in the back? You know what I'm saying? Just going to a slow crisp over there.
I know exactly how long it's gonna take for it to be done. I've cooked a bunch of it. I don't have to prep no more. That's the last batch. So I'm chilling. I got the Four Loko.
Wait, what are you doing?
What the fuck these rappers sound like? Just a whole bunch of my sound bites. First whip, guards, second whip, large. Worry about my niggas, they're good. Marshall, bank account, got me feeling well. That's no ballin' till I get a million check. Don't get it, I still line after line after line. Narco, cause I just black out in the booth. Charcoal, me down.
Hold on.
You're like you like it,
Look at my hair, my
Shots.
Nigga sit down.
Oh yeah. Look at those faces.
Oh yeah.
my beer at?
Where you at?
Get jiggy with it. What's that, my
This
beer?
party was so late until that shot.
Yeah. Is it on, nigga? Is it on?
It's on.
Hey, we here, baby. Yeah, it's a party. So get gnarly.